Alright, let's talk about something you hear every day, but might not totally understand yet: your heartbeat. Those iconic lub-dub sounds your stethoscope picks up? They're more than just background noise. They're giving you a play-by-play of what's happening inside someone's chest. So, first up, the lub. That's the first heart sound, S1. It marks the moment your heart's mitral and tricuspid valves snap shut at the very start of systole. Basically, when your ventricles get ready to squeeze and push blood out. Think of it as the signal that the heart's about to get to work. Next comes the dub, or S2. This happens when the aortic and pulmonic valves close at the end of systole, right after the blood has been pumped out to the body and lungs. It's like your heart saying, "Job done, let's reset for the next round." But here's where it gets interesting. Extra sounds, like S3 or S4, can pop up, and they can clue you into heart conditions, like heart failure or stiff ventricles. So, don't just memorize lub-dub. Listen closely, because these subtle changes can actually save lives. If you ever hear something that doesn't sound quite right, like a murmur or a split S2, it's your cue to dig deeper. The heart doesn't lie. It's always telling you a story, if you're trained to listen. So next time you have a stethoscope in hand, don't just listen for sound. Listen for meaning. Because knowing what those heartbeats are telling you, that's the difference between being a good doctor and a great one. Thanks for tuning in, and keep listening. Your patients' hearts have a lot to say.